All right, what's up, everybody? This is a 2021 Kia Seltos. It is my wife's new car. It's an EX, all-wheel drive. She does the lease job, so the Subaru here is going to be gone, and this is the replacement. But I have to show you this feature that we found actually at the dealership, and they didn't even know it had it. Neither did I. But let me show you inside. Pretty well appointed in here. Leather, sunroof. It's a nice car. I mean, it feels. I'll do a little bit more thorough review, but this is just a quick and simple, unknown feature. And I'm sure maybe if you're seeing this, you know now. But I'm kind of blown away by it. So here we go. So naturally, like most newer cars now, and I mean, that really base Subaru back there I just showed you had this on it, but this Kia here has CarPlay. Well, I got to show you how this is working here. This is my iPhone 12 here, mini, and it is connected, and we are on CarPlay here. Completely wireless CarPlay. I was kind of in shock by that. Like, I mean, I'm not joking when I say, like, here's the cord. It's not even hooked in. There's no monkey business with this. This is legit. And I mean, it's almost like an unknown feature. I mean, if you search enough, I think you'll find it. But that's the 12 there. That's and I was thinking, okay, well, maybe it's just because it's a 12 and it's new in that. But my wife has an 8, standard 8, and that works fine. And what else is cool is, so say you are using your wireless CarPlay, my thought is like, well, it's not going to charge or anything. But down here in the Kia, I put it, it's a little dark right now. I put that down there in that spot. It's a little, I will say, there it goes. That little orange indicator there, it's kind of finicky. Let's see if it starts it. No, it doesn't get it every time. And I have a case. There it goes. Wireless charging down there. So now I have full CarPlay up here. It says it's charging right there. Wireless. Completely wireless. So I can go to my Sirius. I can, pick a channel. I can do whatever. Ooh. Anything you want to do. CarPlay. Cool, huh? I think that's pretty slick. And the fact that I'm gonna guess that it's any Kia Seltos 2021. This is a new car to their lineup this year, so I don't know, in that sense, check it out and see what you think. I mean, wireless CarPlay built in from the factory, nothing crazy. Yeah, that's all I got to do. This video is about just the fact that it has wireless CarPlay. Mind kind of blown. Didn't even know it had it going into it. So all right, thanks for watching. We'll have more on this car. If you have any questions on the Seltos, because I know it is new, let me know. I'll have it for a while, a few years here. So, but it's a nice car, very well appointed, pretty clean looking car. So all right, we'll see you next time. Rubber City Motoring, subscribe for more. See you later.